issued a special marine warning for Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Garcon Point Bridge, or 13 nautical miles northeast of Pensacola Pass, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Escambia Bay Bridge, East Bay, Escambia Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge, Garcon Point Bridge, and southern-east Santa Rosa Sound. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine location: Pensacola Bay Area, including Santa Rosa Sound. This is NOAA weather.